Hey everybody, so this video is for anyone that's looking to find a premium domain name that usually is going to cost a lot of money because, let's face it, if you're looking for a domain name that's going to have a lot of identity attached to it, something that's memorable, something that's catchy, a lot of them are taken and you end up having to pay hundreds and thousands of dollars for it. How to get that for a cheaper price is what this video is going to be about. So for getting a premium domain name, but the purchase cost is too high, like you're going to be paying hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars for it, and they call that virtual real estate or e-real estate. Until recently, now there is a way that you can get those domain names for the fraction of the cost, and that's just by leasing. So think about how people have stores and they're selling products and stuff, and you can't actually buy the property and have that store forever. You end up leasing. The same thing happens with websites, .com websites and everything. You are leasing a domain name because it's more affordable and you're paying a fraction of the cost. So how you can do that and some of the benefits are in the link below. And I will list the benefits, but I'm also going to talk about them right now. So first of all, it allows you to invest in other areas of a business, so you're not throwing hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars into a domain name, but you are able to invest in other areas of your business and you can just lease it for now. It's a safe and effective solution, exclusive rights to use as long as you want to, and you don't have to worry about the asset becoming obsolete. This also reduces your business, your risk if the business fails and asset has been disposed of. So, I mean, you're not going to want to buy a domain name for $1 million or some amount of millions of dollars, and then just to have it fail. So this protects you in that way. This is the safer option, is to be leasing domains. And think about the stress of leasing is better than buying. When you're leasing, at least, just like I was saying, if things go wrong or if the brand goes a different direction, you're only in a lease and you didn't buy a domain name outright and now you're out all this money. So to learn more about how to lease domain names and get these premium domain names that are super expensive to get, but they're also going to get you so much recognition, so much brandability that's going to come with it. Check the link in the description. That'll explain a lot more on on domain leasing and how it's a better alternative to actually buying a domain, and also just skyrocketing your brand, just identifying your brand on such a viral level that it's so memorable and everything like that. So link is in the description along with the rest of the details there. You'll find that there. I kind of listed a few of them in the verbal part of this video, but I hope you found this video helpful. If you are looking to buy domains and stuff like that, this is definitely a viable option for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.